Anyway, say, really and truly, if you never know, I'm going to tell you that you're literally living in an answered prayer. You're literally walking and living into an answered prayer. It may be a house, it may be a car, it may be children you prayed for, or something. You may be a job, something. You pray for money, whatever it may be. Relationship with God, closer connection with God, reading the Word. You're literally doing it. You're doing something that you prayed for. You're walking and you're living in an answered prayer. So let's not forget that. Let us be grateful, thankful, and worship God. Glory. Glory be to God, because we're literally walking into many answered prayers. Sometimes we're so ungrateful that we don't even remember. We just keep asking, and we don't even remember. Like, hold on, let's pause for a second. Let's be still for a moment and realize our surroundings. Even though that everything is not exactly how we want it to be, but 9 times out of 10, we're literally in a answered prayer. I don't know about you, but me not answer prayer. There's many times when I have to remind myself of that, because trust me, I can't be going to God and ask God this, ask. Hold on, be still. His word said, be still and know that I am God. Remember the promises that He is keeping for you, and remember the promises that He already answered for you. Right? So you're walking in an answered prayer right now. Remember that and be grateful. Certain things God want us to have, and certain things God doesn't want us to have, and certain things He wants us to have, but it's not the right time yet. So just hold on. Be still, be patient. Find a place of rest. Rest and hold on and wait. Speak to myself right now. Heavenly Father, we come before you and we thank you, dear Jesus. We want to thank you, and we are grateful for the prayers that you have already answered, to the answers that you have already given, to the blessings that you have already given to us, dear God. We thank you, and if we ever seem ungrateful, forgive us, God. Forgive us, dear Jesus, when we feel to understand that you already blessed us.